So, here are the results. In the local correspondence coding, 69% of all objects had correct eye movements associated with them. In the global correspondence coding, 40% of the eye movements had correct. 40% of the objects had correct eye movements associated with them. This is a bit lower than in the daylight condition that we showed you earlier, but the results are still strongly significant. And these are the results for listening to the description and retelling the description. And again, you see that in the local correspondence coding we have around 60%, 60-65%, and in the global correspondence coding, which is a bit harder requirement, we have around 30% of correct eye movements. And in all cases, these results are significantly above chance level. Comparing darkness to light, we can see that the darkness values are a bit lower. They are still strong, but two things happen in darkness that make the darkness result lower. It's really only a matter of measurements. First of all, people started to blink frequently when they were sitting in darkness, feeling uncomfortable, obviously, with the complete lack of visual input. Also, there was more recentering and reorganization in the darkness condition, probably because when they had no possibility to orient themselves as they had with a whiteboard, they didn't know if they moved a bit to the left or a bit to the right, and this gave fewer global correspondence coding points to them and more local correspondence coding. So, in conclusion, our data provides strong evidence that eye movements reflect spatial positions of objects during mental imagery, even in very complex scenes. These eye movements appear in daylight as well as in complete darkness. Spoken and visual elicitation give almost exactly the same results.
So, to summarize, all results do indicate that we have pictorial representations. However, there is other theories that could support the results, and if you're interested, you could read more about them as we show you here. But the important thing is that the results do contradict Pylochin's visual index argument against pictorial representations and mental imagery. And these results were first presented at the 27th Annual Conference of Cognitive Science in Stresa in 2005, and it was later published as an article in Cognitive Science in 2006. And if you're interested to read more in detail about our experiments and the results and our interpretations, you are more than welcome to read about them in these two articles. Thank you.